Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be visiting the USS Lexington in the town of Corpus Christi. This is the model of the USS South Dakota. I really like the design of this ship. It was really cool how it has really big guns and small guns. I was really excited to see all the airplanes. I couldn't wait. She's my cousin, Sophie. I could just call her Sophie. Okay guys, this behind me is the F-18 Hornet, aka a Blue Angel. The Blue Angel team has 6 airplanes in it. They train in Pensacola. It was one of the first ones to be made because it looks old and that's why it's there. Come and join me to see the rest of the airplanes on this aircraft carrier. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this fun adventure taking a look at the USS Lexington's airplanes. I hope you guys get to come here soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video and share it with friends. Bye!